So I wanted to share something with you guys. I found this. It's a it's an Archer. It's an old strobe light. It's Archer. It's actually Radio Shack. This is was it 63007, 10 watts, high voltage. It has a big thing on the back here. So let's see if I can show that to you. Archer 10. So we're cleaning out the upstairs, and yeah, we're having a garage sale. And I was looking through some old stuff, and I found these along with some old Super 8 cassettes. These are my dad's. Oh, can't see them in there. These are my dad's old cassettes. Yeah, this one is stamped. It looks like it says August 25th, 1994. And the funny part is, let me just do this. Yeah, they both work. Oh, this one has tape on the back. I remember this one did not want to work so well. So there you go. Let's see if I can get it going. You have to jiggle it back and forth to get it to go. Let's see if I can get it to go. Come on. There we are. It's going slow, but it is going. Yeah, the pot died on this one. So maybe I'll take it apart and see if I can replace the pot and it. I just wanted to share that with you. I used to use these for when we did shows. We used to use these. We had switches set up so that we had somebody on this board that was a switchboard, and they would just go and turn them on. And we had other lights as well. We had a whole thing going on that him and his dad made. I'm gonna turn this off. It's starting to get to me. Yeah, I just wanted to share that because I love old crap. What can I say? I'm seeing if I can find any information on these, but it makes me laugh. No, I don't think I'm going to sell them. That probably won't happen. But just the fact that I still have them, it makes me laugh. So, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.